Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change your Dodge Charger headlight bulb using an easy method. You won't need to remove the bumper, saving you time and effort. We will walk through gathering your tools, ensuring safety, and then the step-by-step process of replacing the bulb. This straightforward guide will help you get your headlights shining brightly again in about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's get started and illuminate the road ahead. Before we begin, let's ensure you have everything ready and stay safe. You'll need a new H11 low-beam headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and some protective work gloves. Always park your Charger on a flat surface and set the parking brake. Make sure the engine has completely cooled down. For your safety, disconnect the negative cable from your car's battery to avoid any electrical issues during the process. These simple steps are crucial for a smooth replacement. Now let's get to the bulb itself. Open your hood and look behind the headlight assembly. For the driver's side, you might find it easier to temporarily remove the air intake box to create more working space. Next, you'll see a circular dust cap. Twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it. With the cap off, gently grasp the base of the old bulb, twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and carefully pull it straight out from the housing. Be mindful of the electrical connector. With the old bulb out, it's time for the new one. Connect the electrical harness to your fresh H11 bulb. Remember, never touch the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, then twist it about 1/4 turn clockwise until it feels securely locked in place. Reattach the dust cap, reconnect your battery, and finally, turn on your headlights to confirm everything is working perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.